Hello, good morning. Happy New Year 2025. There you have it. One big slice of pizza on the second day of New Year's. Okay, I'm not really big on pizza, but since uh, I don't eat it as much, like maybe once in a blue moon, I can enjoy this big slice. Not really into dieting kind of thing, but hey, at times I have some cravings for a slice of pizza. Let me enjoy this for the second day of New Year's, January 2nd. All right, there you have it. A big slice of pizza for Mommy G. Hope you enjoy what you're having for New Year's. God bless. Thank you for watching.